Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In the previous vlog, I have shown few must-visit beaches in Pondi, and in this vlog, I am going to show you must-visit cafes and restaurants. I will be exploring White Town and French Colony. So stay tuned till the end of this vlog. So guys, we have checked into our guest house and we are all ready. So it's already evening, it's around 7 p.m. in the evening right now, and plan is to go out and explore the White Town and also to visit some beautiful and cute cafes. So without wasting any more time, let's go out and explore some cafes. So guys, as we stepped on the streets of White Town, we saw a local market selling local products. Then without wasting any time, we explored the market and bought few souvenirs. So guys, if you have missed the previous vlog, do check it out as I have shown the must-visit beaches in Pondicherry. I have added the iCard on the screen and link in description below. So guys, we are at the promenade right now, and this is one of the very famous cafe called as Le Cafe. So guys, this cafe is open 24 hours every day, and this is a very old cafe and is good for quick breakfast or for some coffee or smoothies. So guys, you can sit here and have coffee. This Le Cafe is a 24 hours coffee shop, and this is one of the very famous cafe, and that's why you can see the queue here. And there is Rock Beach just beyond that area. It is right in front of Rock Beach, so you can enjoy your time here with a beach view along with a sip of coffee. Because of this reason, you will find this cafe always crowded. Next, for dinner, we visited another very popular restaurant in White Town called as the Rue Suffren. This is a perfect place to have good continental lunch or dinner. This building is more than 100 years old French heritage villa situated on famous and historical Suffren Street in French Quarter. The building is freshly restored and renovated with French design intact. The space will remind guests of the glorious French impression on Pondicherry architecture. Hi guys! Just look at my friend. Just look at this dusht who is stealing my calamari fritters and eating and not letting me eat. Just look at this dhongi eating calamari fritters with a fork, where actually we can eat it by our hands. Just dip it and eat. We mainly had seafood here like squid, crab and prawn, and all the dishes were too good. So guys, we really had a very delicious dinner tonight at one Rue Suffren. It is situated at White Town, and if you are in Pondicherry, then please do give it a try. They serve very delicious continental food, so I highly recommend this place. So guys, it was the second day in Pondi, and now it's time to have breakfast. There is a very good French cafe
that serves amazing breakfast and desserts, and the name of the cafe is Bread and Chocolate. It is very popular here, so it always remains crowded. Therefore, I suggest that you try to reach here as early as possible for breakfast. They have two branches, one is at Auroville and the other one is in White Town. The one that I am showing is at White Town. We had apple cinnamon pie, dragon fruit smoothie, wraps, cold coffee, pancakes, and smoothie bowl that was overloaded with chocolate.
So guys, we really had a very delicious breakfast in the morning at Bread and Chocolate in White Town. Please do not miss this place. I mean, if you really want to have a lavish breakfast, then please try this place. Here you will not be disappointed. They serve really good European breakfast.
The narrow lanes of the White Town connect to the promenade, across which is the Rock Beach. If you are looking for some delicious waffles, then you must visit here, right in front of the Rock Beach at the promenade. This shop is called as Waffle by the Bay. We had chocolate overloaded waffles, and trust me guys, it's the best waffles that I had till date.
So guys, we freshened up and right now we have come out to White Town once again, and the plan is to have dinner at a good cafe. So let's see which cafe we go, because here the problem is that in all cafes that are situated at White Town, you will get waiting. So you have to wait like for 30 minutes at least for every cafe here, and that's the problem here, and all the cafes shut down within 10:30 p.m. Yeah, that's a bummer here, and that is the problem. So let's see which cafe we get. I will keep you posted. But before that, my friends are busy clicking photos, and this is White Town. Very busy and crowded because it's a long weekend. So guys, these are all very famous cafes that are situated in White Town. This is another very famous one, Le Chateau.
So guys, we visited on a long weekend, so all the cafes and restaurants in White Town were always occupied. There are lots of good cafes here, so without any doubt, you can visit any one of them. At times it was getting very difficult for us to find a seat in a restaurant or a cafe. While strolling on the streets of White Town, luckily we came across this restaurant which was less crowded, so we quickly went inside to grab a seat. This restaurant is called as Mira and is an in-house restaurant of Grand Hotel de Europa. We had an amazing non-veg platter and few yummy desserts. While going back to our guest house, we came across this interesting cafe which was decorated with neon art. It looked very interesting, but unfortunately it was closed. This cafe was called as Hope Cafe and we plan to visit here the next day for breakfast.
So guys, there are lots of similar very good cafes and restaurants present here. If you're really fond of continental and European food, then you should try few of these restaurants or cafes. I will put the name of the very famous and good cafes and restaurants on the screen here and also in the description below. Do check them out and do give them a try.
So guys, the next morning we visited the Hope Cafe for breakfast. This is a pure vegetarian cafe. We had some amazing lasagna, paneer steak, some delicious desserts and ravioli overloaded with cheese. And trust me guys, this cafe really served some delicious food. I highly recommend to visit this cafe. I highly recommend even the non-vegetarian people to come to this cafe and try at least once. This is also a very famous cafe called as Cafe des Arts. You all must have seen this particular graffiti in Instagram photos, and since this wall graffiti is so popular that you have to stand in queue to get a single picture. Well, this cafe also serves very good food, but again this cafe always remains crowded. The best way to explore the White Town and French Colony is on foot, but you can also rent a scooty and explore. We walked through the narrow lanes of the White Town and came across several cafes. Well, I would advise that if you really want to try some of the amazing cafes, then you need to visit early or you may skip long weekends. Apart from cafes and restaurants, there are many shops that sell boho or beach clothing and jewelries in Pondicherry.
So guys, there are lots of cafes like this one, Madam Shanti's, and you have Starbucks coffee as well. Then here you have another D Roman, and there is another one here, Skoll, a very good cafe. And just look at the graffitis on the walls. So guys, there are lots of beautiful graffitis like this throughout the walls in White Town, and people are really crazy to click pictures here. Like you hardly get any place to click pictures and you really have to like wait to get one photo against such wall.
Well guys, Pondicherry is a perfect weekend getaway from Bengaluru if you want to visit beaches and have good food in amazing French cafes or simply stroll through the narrow lanes of White Town and French Colony. I personally love the food in all the restaurants and cafes where I ate. I hope this vlog will help you to choose the cafes or restaurants that you would want to visit during your Pondi trip. So guys, of course we could not try most of the renowned cafes or restaurants due to heavy rush, but I tried to show you whichever cafes or restaurants that I came across the White Town from outside at least, so that you get an idea which cafe or restaurants to try when you are in Pondi. That's it for today's vlog. Please subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, like and share my videos. I will see you in the next vlog with a new place. Till then, take care. Bye.